Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reversing a string without using built-in functions. So schools will be reversed and the output will be this. Okay, let's flip to our Visual Studio. Let's take an input from the user. Now let's read it and store it in a string. Console.readline will read the user's input data and it's inside user input. So basically what it means is that user input equals to school. This is exactly what user typed. Now to reverse it and make it something like this, we need to break this string into characters, or let's say we need to break this into alphabets. Okay, now to do that we're gonna do char array and we're going to use this user input that was entered by the user. So user input dot to char array. So this is going to break the string into characters. Now we're going to loop through every character. So we're going to loop through every character and reverse it, but we're not going to start from here. We're going to start from the last. Okay, so we're going to put this last value into the first value. Okay, second last to the second. This is how reverse works. So let's go to our Visual Studio and do for loop for int I is going to be the last one. Okay, so this, copy this dot length. So if you write user input array dot length, the value will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's going to be the length, but we're going to do -1 because when we iterate the value starts from 0 array of 0 array of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that's the reason we did -1, and it's going to start from the last one and it will check I is greater than or equals to 0. This is going to go on until I is greater than or equals to 0. If I goes below 0, there's no point, and now it's going to be I minus minus because we're going from 5 to 4, 4 to 3. 5 is going here, then 4 is going here. Okay, so we're going minus. That's why I type minus here. Okay, now to store the value of every characters, we're going to create a empty string. Okay, storage, yep, string dot empty, and let's copy this. Storage equals storage plus, here we're going to put user input array, copy, and the location will be I. Okay, and that is it. Console.writeline storage, or and let's save it, or let's make it okay. And let's do it like this. Let's test it and we'll put breakpoints. So let's do my name, so it's reversed. Basically it's working. Now let's close it and let's see how it actually worked. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. That's the reason I showed you on my Visual Studio Code, because I can explain things easily. So I'm gonna minimize. Okay, now let's see. Let's step. Okay, let's see what's inside the value of reversed. It's empty. The value of input, user input, is the what I entered, which is my name. Now let's go inside. Oh, you know what? Let's see what this has. So basically, whatever I entered, which is inside user input, it did break every alphabet and put them in character array. So character 0 has, user input array 0 has the value b, user input array 1 has the value I. So this is how it broke down into 3 pieces. Now let's okay, now let's see what reversed has. It has I, which is the last alphabet of my name, which is true. Now let's see what it has. So it has IT, which is true. It's adding. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep, it's going great. Okay, now the loop ends and this is the output. Thank you very much for watching.